up, y'all? Welcome back to You Feeling Shy. It's your girl Shy. I did want to thank you for being here again. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and of course hit that bell notification. Today we are going to be doing a try on haul from our favorite YouTuber's new line, Twisted Saint Swim. I am super hyped, so let's get into it.
So hyped every step of the way, like, especially because like that's really my bae. Like, I mean, my bell notifications are turned on for Miss Aaliyah J. Like, and I go running every time she drop a video. So Wildcat, like, literally sold out while it was in my cart. Salty salt buckets. Hey guys, it's your girl Shy with You Feeling Shy, and we are back here today for a video that I am super duper excited for. Okay, y'all, the first YouTuber I ever started watching has finally dropped. We're talking Twisted Saint Swim by Aaliyah J. Now, y'all know I have tiny eyes. I don't know, can you see? Let me make sure I got the sun right. But anyway, I got mono lids. So the first person I saw doing mono lids on YouTube has dropped a line. Do I look okay? Like, am I in the sun? She glows. Okay, anyway, she has dropped a line. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did open it last night because I got the package yesterday. It was super hard not to open everything up, but I waited for y'all, so better think for me, okay? So y'all, I was gonna get the okay. Oh, you guys, I'm so proud of Lily. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. So I was gonna get all 3 bathing suits, but y'all, Wildcat, I think it's called. Let me go to the Instagram. Wildcat, like, literally sold out while it was in my cart. Salty salt buckets. It literally sold out while it was in my cart. I was heartbroken, but I did get 2. So let me go ahead and go to the Instagram page, and I'll screen record and show you guys in here. These mosquitoes, they's not playing. Let me go ahead and hurry up and get to it. But so, first of all, what's this red bathing suit? Because she ain't dropped that yet. Waiting, but I have this pink one. I should have really put some off on. Oh my god, I have this pink one, and it says, "Thank you for shopping with us. Enjoy." Ooh, 10% off your next order with the code. I won't say because y'all need to go order. We hope you enjoy your purchase, and please don't forget to leave a review. It has the Instagram, the customer service email, and the website. You guys, first of all, when she announced that she was doing this, I was on that damn video fucking crying, like, because I have been a part of the army for years. Like, how long has it been? Like 6 years or some shit, like maybe more. So I'm just like super excited for her. So we have the 2. Here's how they're packaged. Everything was done really nicely. First of all, it came so quick. I wasn't even expecting it to come this quick. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to try on the first one, which is called I think it's called String Me Up. Look at you, mosquito. I think it's called String Me Up though. Oh, String Me Along. We are going to try on String Me Along first. I'm super excited about it, so I'll see you guys soon. So I caught myself. Okay, I almost tried it on without showing you guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is how it goes, yeah. First of all, it feels so nice. Oh my god. I feel like I've been just like so hyped every step of the way, like, especially because like that's really my bae. Like, I mean, my bell notifications are turned on for Miss Aaliyah J. Like, and I go running every time she drop a video. So I was super hyped. It feels so good. First of all, the booty is about to be. It feels so good. This is the logo. Who knows if I'm doing it right? I guess. This is the top. Ooh, I feel like this will make me look like I got like more boobs than I got. It is so cute. Like, I'm super excited. All right, and if you are a part of the army, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. I see you. I'm feeling myself already, y'all. First of all, let me take a step up. And no, I'm not skinny, so don't say shit. Y'all. It's a hot girl summer. Not me. But y'all, I am really feeling this. Wow. It fits so nice. Like, it's really giving me hype. Listen, I need to go to the beach. Oh, I'm feeling it. I already got the deodorant on because I'm a child. It's my roommate's cup. It's not me. We're gonna do the real test. We're gonna take a picture on Snapchat. So next we're gonna put on. Alright, so I'm gonna put some off on, but I can't stop taking pictures. Oh my god, I look so cute. Alright, I'm really gonna chill. So next we're gonna put on the, what is it called? Tie Me Up. And I heard this one you can put it all different types of ways. So I guess I should show. I don't want to take this one off. Like, this one is perfect. I don't want to take it off. I feel good. Like, I feel good in this. Alright, something I give because I'm being alive. Why she came out here with no off on, I don't know. So This one goes all the different ways. I remember her saying. So I super felt like I was opening up a gift. Okay, not sure how it goes yet. It is biting me out here, y'all. Yes, I like stuff like this. Like this another cheeky one that's going. The cheeks look good. Cause the cheeks look good. We may or may not put that in there. But we're gonna go ahead and try this one on. And let's get it. So this is Tie Me Up. I put it the first way I could figure out how to get it. And this is it, y'all. This is giving me all the vibes. Like she did that. Like she did that. And I'm not even swimming. I feel so good though. Except for these mosquitoes. I don't feel good. This is mosquitoes. Like I am right now. Your nipple might come out. Definitely just had nips. But there's nothing wrong with those. There's nothing wrong with that. Nice, hunty. I'm gonna try to tie it up a different way. I'm really gonna do it out here. I'm gonna do it. This baby suit is cute. I'm taking it. It's so many. Okay. We're gonna go tie this a different way, and that's how y'all get by itself. Y'all, it is unbelievable how many mosquito bites I have on me right now. What kind of filter is this? Okay. First of all, should that be my thumbnail? But I got bit up so bad out here, y'all. It's not a joke. Like, I gotta show y'all. Make a video real quick. See on my butt? This looks like mini porn. I'm not gonna do that to y'all. I'm going through a lot right now for y'all. This is the final way I decided to tie it. It does come with bra pads or whatever. I'm gonna have to take that out. That's not working for me right now. Luckily, you can take them out though. So I just tied it. There's so many ways that you can tie this thing. Hey, this no mind. I felt miserably, but I am so proud. I'm sweating because like I've been out here fighting these mosquitoes. Yeah, they took me through a lot, but y'all, Twisted Saints swim. I am super excited, super proud. Y'all should definitely check out the website. I'm gonna put it below. I'm about to go inside because honestly, I can't take this no more out here. And I will insert whatever cute videos I make inside the video. Don't forget to check out our girl Lily. Her website, again, it will be below. Twisted Saint Swim. Super excited. Everything is super cute. And yeah, so this was the haul for that. I just got ate up out here, so the video's over. Subscribe, like, comment. Don't be shy. Let me know how y'all feel about each bathing suit. Don't got nothing nice to say. Don't say nothing at all. See you later.